Where you going, Breezy?
I'm going to school, Pop. Goodbye.
That's a good boy, son. Getting all that learning with books and pencils and... Books? Breezy forgot his books. I better take him to him. Breezy! You forgot your books! Brook trout. Tum-tum, tiddy-um-pum-pum.
My, what a big boy. I'm the truant officer, boy, and you should be in school.
Me? In school? Har, har, har.
Shame on you for playing hooky. You come along with me, Sonny.
Tum-tum, the-um-pum. Oh, a plate. Ah.
You have to go to school, you bad boy.
Now, looky here, Shorty. I'm smart, see? I don't have to go to school.
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
Here, let me show you a problem in geometry. Let X equal an icebox and Y equal a door. Then X plus Y over the square of the hypotenuse equals a banana. Now get lost! I thought I told you to get lost.
That's judo, Sonny.
Just a minute!
You will rue this day. Come along now. My, what a heavy boy. going to school.
I'm being railroaded.
That's my pop.